So I'm out here at a job that I just completed. This kitchen has expanded beyond our wildest dreams. So there used to be a wall kind of right about here, cutting this kitchen off. There also used to be a peninsula in the way, so she didn't have free flow to all of her living spaces. But now we've taken that wall down. We've got a gorgeous space for a nice big dining table, as well as this gorgeous wet bar in the back. The island has tons of drawer storage, which is our favorite. It's nice and easy. You open it up, everything's right in front of you. Plenty of seating around this island for the whole family, as well as a couple friends. Because we have the overhang on all three sides, we always have to wonder where we're going to put the outlets. At this space, we actually put these in. These are called sill lights. It's one of my favorites. So you open this up and you've got the outlet right on the front. Then you can put a cover right back on it and it's nice and hidden. Another focal point I love about this kitchen is this huge, gorgeous window. It was actually replaced shortly before we started the remodel, but we added in this beautiful windowsill made of the same stone as the countertop. Another selection that this homeowner was bold enough to do, and I absolutely love, is the Cambria countertops. This is Windsor brass with a satin ridge finish, and they chose to do it up behind the backsplash as well. It gives it such a pop of texture and movement. It has beautiful gold specks in it. It's definitely one of my favorites. In this space, we were also able to incorporate this beautiful wet bar over here. So again, we did the same countertops and the same cabinetry, but we tried to switch it up a little bit. So over here, we did a tile, which went all the way up through the floating shelves to finish it off nicely. In this kitchen, the customer also wanted a lot of refrigeration, but we didn't want to make it look like this big stainless steel box. So here we have a 36-inch paneled refrigerator column right next to a 24-inch freezer column. In this space, the homeowner used to have a closet with their washer and dryer in it. We did a lot of reconfiguring in this area to add a butler's pantry. So another part of reconfiguring this space is where the refrigerator units are now. That used to be a doorway into a half bath. And where that butler's pantry is, part of that used to be in an office space. So now when we open this up, we now have where the half bath used to be, but we've expanded into this side to add laundry area as well.